G'day folks, need your assistance here. My truck is making a squeaking noise in the front and I can't seem to find it. I was wondering if any of your third gen Tacomas are making this noise too. Let's listen in here. If I pull here, I lightly touch there. Yeah, I don't know where it's coming from. Everything seems tight. But yeah, it's up in here somewhere, down in here. So yeah, there's that one. And then down in here, let's go for a little wander. Stay with me. Oh, there we go. It's all right in here. So it's in neutral right now. Truck is off, obviously. Yeah, is this normal to be able to spin? So yeah, this is obviously the transfer case. The drive shaft that goes in the front diff for four-wheel drive. But yeah, should this be able to spin freely? I think that's fine, but that noise sounds like it's coming from more in there when I turn it and wiggle it. Yeah, is that normal? Let me know in the comments. It's a 23 TRD Pro with like 32,000 kilometers on it. I'm hoping that's normal. It's been like that for a while. Same with that squeak too. Even from down here, you probably make the squeak. Yeah. It's really disconcerting. Don't like it. I'm hoping this truck lasts. I'm hoping it lasts as long as the first and second gen. I know it's made in Mexico, and I'm trying to say it's gonna last, but man, I've had a few little issues. And yeah, I don't like that squeak. I'll take it back to the dealer. Still got warranty on it. But man, it's a little annoying, right? But I'll wash her up now. It's quite dirty. But yeah, let me know if you know what that might be. Peace.